Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at a project that I was supposed to have designed a long time ago, and it has just been installed. And one of the issues that happened between the design and the installation is that other people got involved and changed the plants. And they added these different plants, not knowing exactly what the capacity of the plants were or the ultimate sizes of the plants were, and kind of an ignorance of the sizes of the other the trees, for instance. So this tree is in a small planter, which means that it's always going to be constrained by the planter, and it's placed here right next to a driveway, and so it's going to be an interference visually as well as physically to the people coming in and going out of the project. Also, when you look at, you can see the grasses are kind of ratty looking. This is their winter look, so they always will look like this at certain points of the year. The Mexican feather grass in the background that is very, very pretty as it's blowing in the wind is an extremely invasive plant, which means that it is going to be covering and taking over this entire planter over time. And you know, this is the entry, and this is what people see coming into the entry. So these are things I would never design, having kind of ratty looking plants as you come into the most important area of the building, your first impression. So my advice is that if you are doing a plant design, that you really pay attention to the ultimate size and shape and textures of the plants, so that the ultimate plan and care of the planters is in alignment with what you really want. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net, or my book, Secrets of the Land, Creating Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, available on Amazon or on my website. Thanks for listening.